Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Ulefone Armor X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the section system. That was a misclick, the system. Now we have to tap on reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. And here our device will inform us what it will actually reset, so among others Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, of course mobile data also. So let's tap on reset settings, and here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone, so be aware, and tap on reset settings if you're ready. And as you can see we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.